Welcome back everyone. I'm up at the farm checking all the bees today. Got all the bees check up the farm. All the bees check up their farm. Might do that tomorrow because they're having a metal detecting dig up there. Don't know what these bees are going to be like up here today, because obviously we took a bit of their honey last week, so they might not be too pleased, but we'll get through the hives, and anything I'll come back and I'll show you. Probably end up doing some splits today because stop some swarming. We've got a lovely hot day, a hot weekend apparently, so we'll probably do some splits or demarays, because demarays are good. I didn't really want to demaray these ones on the trailer because of how high they are off the ground, and it's very awkward. Then they need moving really onto stands down the bottom with the rest. But we'll get into the hives and we'll have a look. So I did just spot a queen on this frame, and she weren't marked or clipped. There she is, look. There, we got her in the clip, but she's laying well, so we'll mark her and clip her. She's got a nice pattern there, look. So we'll mark her up and clip her up. And then we'll drop an excluder on and super them up. So this was one of the slower hives. One of the fellas splits, so it's starting to pick up now. So this is the ceremonial queen marking and wing clipping kit that I use. Everyone uses whatever they use. We all do things our own way. That's what I like to put her in, to push her up to the top to mark her and clip her. Although I don't like using this thing to catch my queen, because that'll just take her head off. And then we got the ceremonial golden scissors for the ceremonial clipping of the wing. And obviously this queen is, oh no, it should be red. I'll go get my red pen. But then yeah, we mark the queen with paint pen. So I'll get her out that clean clip and put her in that one and clip her. In this one here, there's swarm cells, and I can hear a queen piping. So this hive is a brand new virgin queen. Probably not mated yet. So that kicked them off. Anyway, they're all doing good. This hive, this big one on the corner here that's really active, is they've got a virgin queen, so they're going to be leave them now for 2 weeks. We'll let the queen get bred. There's enough bees around here to get good breeded queens, hopefully. We did last year. So this hive's fine. It's doing well. It had that boost of bees which has helped it loads. This hive's re-queening, so hopefully we'll get a nice mated queen again. Now we'll check these last ones. All good so far. So that hive, virgin queen. This one is about to go pop. Okay, so everything's good now. Well, we've got one now, a virgin queen. Obviously my one over there has got a virgin queen, and this one, the queen's just started to get going, but all the rest are going well. Yeah, they're backfilling their supers. This one here has got to be split because it's a monster, so we'll just half the brood. Well, I'm not going to do that today, but I'll come back and do that probably tomorrow evening. But yeah, all good down in this bee hood.